Yo, what's going up, my dudes and dudettes and manettes? How ya doing? What's up? Anyways, my name's Baligerent Fool, and I can be a spaz sometimes. This is my gaming channel here, so if you guys are interested in gaming and streaming, you found the place. So on this channel, what we're about is helping other streamers, people that are starting streaming. If you like my gameplay or you like my content watching me stream personally, we got the best of clips, we have montages, we're gonna have how-to videos, tips and tricks, advice, you know, all that stuff. So, you know, this is a channel to check out. Otherwise, you know, you just here because you like me and you support me. Well, you guys are flipping awesome. Really? I don't know anymore. Don't know. Of course, if there's anything you guys want to know on the videos, put them down in the comments, ask me a question, maybe give me some ideas of what you want to see, let me know. Or if you have any questions, you're like, yo, Baligerent, you should probably make a video on how do you work Streamlabs OBS. Yo, dude, what's your thoughts and opinions on that keyboard you have? Can you rate it to us? What kind of lighting are you using? Can you teach me how to YouTube? Yeah, of course. Anything you guys want, I got your backs. You guys are awesome. So furthermore, I hope you guys enjoyed the content that we have here coming in the future. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys like it. If not, now that I'm blind, I'm gonna say goodbye. You guys are awesome. For real. Come here, let me get a hug!